Hi students, let's look at this question here, which was taken from the year 2020 IGCSE Specimen Paper 1, question 4. You're told not to use calculator in this question, and let's see how we can do this proficiently. So the diagram shows a trapezium of ABCD in which AD is 7 cm, and AB is 4 plus root 5. AX is perpendicular to DC, and DC is 2 cm. So everything is labeled for you. And given the area trapezium ABCD is 15 root 5 plus 2, obtain the expression x in the form of a plus b and integers. Okay, great. I think that's pretty cool, pretty neat. I think for area of trapezium, we need to know the formula, meaning the formula of area of trapezium is the top plus bottom, then divided by 2 plus the perpendicular height, meaning to say we need to find the perpendicular height, because now we won't, the perpendicular height is not given actually, so we find AX first. So I'm just going to find the perpendicular height, which is actually AX. This case here, what I need is actually 7 square minus 2 square root it. Alright, so this is 2 square. So 49 minus 4, use this key calculator for this. This is 49 minus 4, which is actually square root 45. Great. Alright, so now we got this as square root 45 as our AX. Okay, now once this is done, we are told that the area here, the whole trapezium area, is this expression 15 root 2 plus 2. So area of trapezium would actually be I'm just put A here. Is it, or A is labeled, right? Never mind, I don't put A. I'll just don't put anything. I'll just be the average of the parallel side, so AB plus CD over 2 times perpendicular height, which is AX. Okay, that's it. This is the formula that you need to know. Then the area is given, the numerical value, which is this one here. So it's 15 times root 5 plus 2. AB, we have it. AB is 4 plus root 5. So I'm just going to let it be 4 plus root 5 plus CD, which is actually 2 plus x. Here's 2 plus x. That's pretty okay. Bracket it and divided by 2. AX would just be square root of 45. Square root 45. Alright, so let's see how we can do this properly. Alright, I would multiply the 2 over to the other side, because this 2 is very annoying. So just going to multiply it. Okay, multiply both sides with 2. Multiply these sides with 2, and this would render us to, this would just be 30 root 5 plus 2. This would be 6 plus root 5 plus x. Okay, maybe I just move this down, and this will just be 45. Seems like a very interesting number. So try and just divide by 5 and see. And see, this is 9. Great. So this is 5 times 9. 9 is a perfect square. So we could actually just change this. Root 5 times 9 would be root 5 root 9, which is actually 3 root 5, right? This is 3. So you could just leave it like that. I'm just trying to decipher like slowly. So this will be root 5 plus 60 equals to 6 plus x. Maybe I'll put the x there. And this will be 5. This will be 3 root 5. Actually, I should just have a look at what the question is asking. Is x an integer? So a and b, expression, x. Okay, so I need to make x a subject. Goodness, I didn't even know that. Okay, great. So I'm going to divide both sides, make x a subject. In this case here, I'm just going to divide both sides with 3 root 5. So 30, 50 plus 60 divided by 3 root 5. And this will just be 6 plus x plus root 5. Okay, let's, hold on, let me just minimize this first. I have lack of space here. So this case here, once done, I'll just divide by 30 root 5. Just split it up. 60, 30 root 5 minus 6. Okay, am I moving too fast? I hope not. So 6 and this. So this would actually split it up to this part here. This, I'm just move the 6 and the root 5 over. and this would just be 10 plus this. This is 10 because I could just cancel this out, right? So cancelling root 5 and 3, and this is 10. This is 3, and this is 20. Yeah, 20 over root 5, and this 20 over root 5, and this is minus 6 minus root 5 equals to x. Okay, I'll put the x to the other side. So 10 minus 6 will be 4. Plus 20 root 5. For 20 root 5, I could just multiply the denominator with root 5, top with root 5, and I would get a 20 root 5 over 5. Root 5 times root 5 minus root 5. Okay, 10 minus 6 is 4, so I get that. So this case here, cancel it out, 5, and this will be 4. 20 divided by 5 will be 4, and essentially what we get here is 4 plus 4 root 5 minus root 5. So 4 minus 1 will be 3 root 5. So this is x equals to 4 plus 3 root 5. Okay, you treat this as one entity. So 4x minus x is 3x, right? So 4 root 5 minus root 5 will be 3 root 5. That's how you do this question here proficiently, okay? So, yeah, B and A and B are integers. So I think this is it. Please make sure to actually check your calculator where your values are correct. So what do we mean by that is, actually you could just key in the area formula. So you just key in this, we just sub the x in here. So let me just demonstrate. X is actually 4 plus 3 root 5, right? So I'm going to replace this in and hope for the best. So to check your answer in exam is that you just key in root 5 as such, plus 2, and this is my x. X will be plus 4 plus 3 root 5. Okay, and divided by 2, and multiply this with root 45. Okay, now you should be able to get the same answer if you were to just do this. Okay, I don't really like to use my calculator on my computer because it's just too... Yeah, there you go. You should get the same value. If you get the same value, yeah, you're right. Okay, so this is how you do this question here proficiently. Any question or comments, please do let us know. Keep practicing, and I will see you in the next question.